Once upon a time, there was a man named Alex who always wanted to please everyone. He would go out of his way to make others happy, even if it meant sacrificing his own happiness. He believed that making others happy was the key to his own happiness. Alex had a successful career, a loving family, and a great group of friends. However, he was always anxious and stressed because he was constantly trying to please everyone. He couldn't say no to anyone, and he would often overcommit himself, causing him to feel overwhelmed and exhausted. One day, Alex had an epiphany. He realized that he couldn't please everyone, no matter how hard he tried. He understood that his own happiness was just as important as the happiness of others. He decided to change his ways and started to say no to things that didn't align with his priorities. At first, some people were upset with him for not always saying yes to their requests. But eventually, they came to appreciate his honesty and respect for his own boundaries. Alex found that he was able to prioritize his own needs and still maintain strong relationships with the people in his life. As time went on, Alex found that he was much happier and less stressed. He was able to focus on his own goals and aspirations, and he no longer felt like he was constantly trying to please everyone else. He realized that he didn't have to compromise his own happiness to make others happy. The moral of the story is that it's important to prioritize your own happiness and well-being. While it's great to help others and make them happy, it shouldn't come at the expense of your own happiness. It's okay to say no to things that don't align with your priorities, and it's important to set boundaries to protect your own well-being. In the end, Alex learned that true happiness comes from within, and that it's okay to put yourself first sometimes. By prioritizing his own happiness, he was able to live a more fulfilling and satisfying life, and he was still able to maintain strong relationships with the people he cared about. Hello there, please drop a comment below and tell me what you think. Thank you so much for watching and stay blessed.